Jigsaw and Batman are kind of the same.
They're literally
They're
the same.
literally just the same but opposite, huh?
Yeah,
Never thought about
100%.
that. That's pretty cool.
Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, and they both want justice. I still think Jigsaw's doing it right because he doesn't have to run around though.
Yes,
He's got
and
that cool
not spending
trike.
He's
billions.
just hanging out on a trike,
Dude,
with
think
brain
about
cancer.
Like,
Batman's
if you think about it, that's all DIY shit too. Like he's not paying much for it.
right.
He's
Yeah.
saving a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
Home Depot, gold card.
Get used to this.